This conference will now be recorded.
A very good morning to one and all present here. I, Bharti Fatnani, on behalf of BioSetup Life Sciences, take this honor to welcome our founder, coordinator, Aragyadeep Das Sir, our faculty members, and all my dear student participants. I welcome you all to today's crash course on CUET Life Sciences 2022, that is Common University Entrance Test Postgraduate 2022, organized by BioSetup Life Sciences. The Common University Entrance Test has been introduced for admission into all PG programs in all central universities for the academic section 2022-23 under the Ministry of Education. Hence, our team has taken this step to help students learn to solve this enigma and get admitted to their dream colleges. Before starting, I would like to introduce our organization, BioSetup Life Sciences. BioSetup Life Sciences is a hub for scientific research and learning approved by ISO 9001-2015 certified and MSME Government of India registered organization having a multidisciplinary team of faculty and research associates that provide support to aspiring students in life sciences. We have successfully organized many workshops, certification courses, career counseling, and competitive exam preparation, such as CSIR, IIT JAM, GATE B, ISC, and DBT. Thus, we are continuously working for the career upgradation of the students. Now, I would like to introduce our expertise, Mrs. Somoju Bhargavi, MSc, PhD, GATE, and TSS-ET qualified, Ms. Ananya Sarkar, Master in Applied Mathematics from Jadavpur University, who has been working as an assistant professor of mathematics in GKCEM, Kamaila Institute of Technology, JIS Kolkata, for 7 years, as well as she has a teaching experience for various competitive exams. Ms. Shrivalli Kolla, Master in Systems Biology, Ms. Radhika Rajesh Bhandari, MSc Biotechnology, B.Ed, ICAR NET, GATE BT, MHSET, DBT BIT. Without further ado, let's start our today's session. I welcome again to our today's faculty member, Ms. Radhika Bhandari, who would be taking a lecture on the topic chromatin structure and function. I request you all to please maintain the decorum of the class and not share audio and video during the lecture. If you have any questions, you can post them into the chat box. Now, I request ma'am to kindly proceed. Over to you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. So, welcome all the students, and we would like to start with the session. So, as we are going to prepare for the CUET test, so first very important thing is basics. So, in the today's session, we are going to discuss some basics. Will give us clear idea about all the things we are going to study, and then we will start with the actual structure of chromatin structure. Hope am I clearly visible to everyone? Clearly audible to everyone? You can give me response in the chat box and be interactive, so that will help us to learn further. Yes, all the students. Okay, great. So learning is not a one-way process, right? If it's a two-way process, right? If I am teaching, you are responding, then it will be more convenient for me also to get to know how much you are getting, right? So we'll start with very first basic, some clear idea we'll take about the, we'll start with the cell. Okay. So, as we all know, in the biology, we talk about the biology is all about the study of living organism which are made up of cell. So, very first we should know there are two types of cells, right? Prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. So, the chromatin structure we are going to discuss in respect to both prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic